Gonzalez right here. I ordered a package. I don't know if this is gonna come today.
Wait, what is it?
Huh? Maybe a fidget. Fidget! Probably be a fidget.
No, because you ordered your Yeezys, right?
Yeah, I think probably my fidget or my Yeezys. Oh, thank you guys.
Okay, let's go to the couch.
So you guys, I'm gonna go unpackage my box. Oh my god. Oh my god. But this one's missing one. Okay, let's go to the second ones.
That one came by itself. Wonder why.
Oh, shoot.
Dang, that one's sweet, bro.
So comment down below which ones do you guys like the most. Please subscribe,
Wait.
like this video.
Wait, we're gonna do an instant replay, okay? Ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Comment down below if you guys like this one, and
Comment down.
comment down below if you like this one.
Batman one. Oh, shoot. Yeah, spin it. Okay.
Comment down below if you guys like this one. It's so smooth.
The Iron Man one.
Last but not least, the best one. Comment down below.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, that's it.
This will be the end of the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, and
Stay dizzy.
Disney.